Bahala po kami dun sa datos ng DepEd, mahigit 79,000 bullying cases na naitala po between 2019 and 2022. Karamihan po doon talagang pisikal na pambubuli. Tapos lumabas po sa balita, ito pong mga pagpapaigting po ng efforts ng DepEd, ng pamahalaan, no? Whole of government approach para labanan nga po ang bullying at violence sa ating mga paaralan. Hahayaan po namin na kayo na po ang maglatag. Kong.
Yes, Ma'am Ali, Ma'am Patty, sa totoo po, kung titingnan po natin, especially yung findings rin po nung PISA, because nagawa rin sila ng survey nung kumuha ng exam, yung mga bata, lumalabas na mataas talaga yung ating, yung pakiramdam ng ating kabataang Pilipino na talagang merong bullying na nangyari. In fact, it's over yung average ng OECD. Way above po, significantly. Pero alam natin, may underreporting pa kasi yung iba hindi naman talaga nare-report. That is why, yes, ang totoo niyan, meron tayong pinasa na bagong batas noong December last December lang, 2024, yung Mental Wellness Act natin, wherein talagang kailangan na po talagang i-full throttle po yung pag-implement yan because we really need guidance doon sa ating mga paaralan kasi talagang with the environment that yung kids are growing up now, yung children natin, sa totoo, ay may teknolohiya eh. Meron talaga nangyayari po, mapapanood po talaga sa YouTube, sa whatever social media na meron, kailangan talaga na merong, in addition to yung mga magulang, ang schools rin bilang pangalawang parents nila, dapat ay talagang nakatutok rin po dyan. Pangalawa, ay meron na tayong GMRC na napasa last Congress pa. I think isa pa yun na magiging maganda na tool para masigurado natin na mahubog yung karakter ng mga mag-aaral natin na maganda, maayos. Kasi importante ma-remind po sila, hindi lang ng kailang magulang, pero yung pangalawang magulang po nila, yung ating mga teachers, yung schools natin. Pangatlo, is really kailangan ma-amend na yung anti-bullying implementing rules.
Yes, yung
because
IRR.
talagang sa totoo, it is not working.
So Kong Romano, ito nga parang sabi ko nakakaya na naman ng Pilipinas, nasa horror role na naman tayo, 'di ba? Aside from being nasa kapitpuitan dito nga sa mga assessment test, tapos ngayon now you find out that we're parang talagang the bullying capital of Asia. Ewan ko kung Asia ito or the world or whatever, but regardless of the number, it's very saddening to know na this is what the Filipino student, the Filipino child encounters every day, aside from talagang academics, meron pa itong external na bullying on the side, and then you have this program, yung sinasabi ninyong Child Protection Committee, and then in the hearing of Senator Win Gatchalian, sabi nga niya nakakahiya kasi 966 schools out of 45,000 plus schools have a functioning Child Protection Committee. So how are you going
2% lang.
2%, oo. How are you going to address this po, Kong Roman? And then, alam ko nga, may shortage rin po tayo ng mga psychologists, di ba, at guidance counselors. So, itong 2% po, itong ating Child Protection Committee, paano po natin ito magiging mas active at mas mai-increase natin po yung percentage to address the needs of these children?
Yes, hi. Mapati, actually, yung recommendations po ng EDCOM 2 is actually to do away with the Child Protection Committee. Bakit? Kasi yung Child Protection Committee under the current IRR, yung 2013 IRR, very cumbersome siya. Kasi kailangan, napakaraming membro. Andyan yung principal, andyan yung teacher, andyan yung parent representative, andyan yung barangay. To get everyone together, yung 5-6 na kailangan po dyan, siyempre may mga iba-ibang gawain din po yan. It becomes very difficult talaga for it to perform its function. So ang recommendation nga po namin talaga is to do away already with this Child Protection Committee. Ang kailangan po natin talaga ay may dedicated na nakatutok na tinatawag namin discipline officer.
Discipline officer.
Kasi Ma'am Patty, Ma'am Ali, no matter, ang ganda kasing pakinggan lagi
Yeah.
na meron tayong committee
Oo.
na nagtutulong-tulong kasi sinasabi nila it takes a whole community
Oo,
to
to raise
educate
a
the child,
child,
di ba?
yeah.
Pero there are instances that implementation will make it so difficult.
Correct.
Katulad po ito, yung Child Protection Committee na ito, maganda man yung idea nila na nagtutulungan po yung magulang, yung teacher, yung barangay, pero hindi talaga nagiging practical yung implementation kasi syempre may mga trabaho lahat, may mga iba-ibang issue, hindi nila matututukan talaga ng sabay-sabay.
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.